Hi, I'm Marshall Hawk, and today I'm going to show you how to make your photographs better by using anything you can at home. Now these tips and tricks today are for people who need a reminder on how to take better photos, or for people who are just beginning and take photos like these. You want to be able to use any kind of prop that goes with the photo you're taking to set a mood. This could be anything, whether you find it inside of your house or you go to a 7-Eleven or $1 store to get it. Another way to enhance your photo taking is by putting action in it, like using your hands. The last tip for this video is to be able to find any kind of background that goes with your photo, same as the prop. Today we're going to be going outside. You always want to stick to a setting that fits what you're trying to take a photo of. It doesn't always have to be Legos or toys either. It can be anything you find fit that can go in the grass or anywhere else in your backyard. The main goal of all of this is to have fun. Go around your house, find an object, find some objects to go with it, find a location, whether it be your backyard, your bathroom, your bedroom, your kitchen, and just have fun.